Welcome to our exciting IPTV tutorial today. Let's begin by discussing what IPTV really means. In 2025, finding trusted IPTV providers is tricky. That's why we recommend 2tv.store for IPTV. Now let's start installing IPTV on your device. First, ensure your Android TV box is powered on. Go to the App Store on your device. Search for your preferred IPTV application now. Once found, select the app to install it. After installation, open the IPTV application. Now, log in with your credentials provided. To get these credentials, visit 2tv.store. Select a plan that suits your viewing needs. Once you have your plan, check your inbox. Locate the email with your login details. Enter these details in your IPTV app now. Once logged in, explore the channels available. You can customize your favorites for quick access. Don't forget to check out on-demand content. Utilize any features the app may offer. Adjust the settings for the best performance. Congratulations, you can now enjoy IPTV. If you face any issues, refer back to us. Like and subscribe for more amazing content.